If you want to disable friend requests from server members in Discord, I'll walk you through it step by step in a simple and quick way. This is a useful setting if you want a little more privacy and you do not want people from servers you share to be able to send you friend requests. It only takes a minute, and I'll show you exactly where to find it in the Discord PC app. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Discord tips and tutorials. Now, let's get into it. First, open the Discord desktop app on your PC and make sure you're signed into your account. Once Discord is open, look at the bottom left corner of the app. You'll see your user area there, along with the settings icon. Click on that settings icon to open your user settings. Inside the settings menu, you'll see a list of options on the left side. Scroll through that menu and click on Content and Social. This is where Discord keeps a lot of privacy and interaction settings, including friend request controls. After you open Content and Social, scroll down slowly until you find the friend request section. In this section, Discord lets you control who can send you friend requests. You'll see an option for server members. This setting controls whether people from shared servers can send you friend requests or not. To turn it off, simply toggle off server members. Once it's disabled, server members will no longer be able to send you friend requests, which gives you more control over who can contact you on Discord. That's all there is to it. You've now successfully disabled friend requests from server members on Discord PC. It's a quick privacy tweak, but it can make your experience much more comfortable and keep your inbox a little cleaner. If this video was helpful, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Discord tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.